As you mentioned before, like you have a particular process that you work through, and there's ways that you need to do that to get the best result. I was watching, as I said, my partner, she's been Obama'd, right? Obama'd, I call it. In other words, she knows how we all have our strengths and weaknesses, and his strengths are incredible, right? And the way that he makes decisions is about having people in the room which have got all sorts of different and varying opinions, right? And so where it comes from is not the view of surrounded with yes men or yes women. He comes from the point of view of get me the best people which are qualified to speak about this, but from different perspectives, right? So we get a really diverse set of opinions, a really diverse set of what's the word of observations, right? And then they don't necessarily meet, they don't necessarily join, they don't necessarily fit together. But what it means is that your brain has to stretch in all sorts of different directions to look at all sides of this puzzle that you're facing, and going through that process and then coming to a decision based upon bringing in all of those different opinions and ways of seeing it, then the outcome, the decision that you make is going to be by far more effective, powerful, and relevant than if you go along with just a certain state of mind, which is yours. Surround yourself with yes people, and then just basically they're just pandering to you, whatever you think they're pandering to, and there's no conflicting viewpoint. And that's his process. So we all have a process. You have yours, he has his, but when we acknowledge and we know what it is and we name it, then it makes it a lot easier to work with and to get the best out of it, So it's really powerful what you've just done.